bread is one of my favourite things to make, but on a day when I don't want to make a yeasted bread, or like today, and I need something for lunch, these rolls are perfect. With yogurt and baking powder, they come together really quickly. It's a very sticky dough, but has such a nice texture. I just brush them with an egg wash and sprinkle them with seeds. I usually use nigella, but today I'm using black sesame. Trying to think of lunch ideas is always a challenge. So for this simple lunch, I've used organic eggs, still warm, and mashed them with butter, pepper and salt. I added some tomatoes, a couple of cold chipolatas that I had sliced up. I'd made some potato sticks, or crisps I think you could call them, the day before. Finally chipped a couple of potatoes, tossed them in olive oil and salt, cooked them in the air fryer for about 20 minutes until very crispy. These are a great alternative to store-bought crisps. As it's Lent, we're trying to avoid sugar-laden foods and of course chocolate. So I'm making blueberry muffins, but I've swapped out the sugar for xylitol and honey. While these aren't as sweet as normal muffins, they're definitely sweet enough and make a good snack or treat. There are some really great sugar alternatives out there. Erythritol is a good one, xylitol's my favourite, but I just don't like stevia. I find the bitter aftertaste is too much. And xylitol works really well in baking. I started these French baguettes last night, made the starter, left that overnight, and then today mixed the dough, and after shaping and resting, I'm now just scoring the tops. I'll cook them and then we'll have them warm with our dinner. Like so many things in baking and cooking, I really don't think French bread has to be complicated. As long as it tastes good, it doesn't have to look or be perfect. Dinner on this day is one of our favourite ones. Roasted garlic, and this smoked garlic that I bought is amazing. French baguettes that I made earlier. And a baked camembert, which I've just, tried to drizzle with honey and sprinkled with chopped pecans. The girls love hummus, and I find it's one of the easiest things to make. It does taste better than anything you can buy in the shops, and it works out so much cheaper.